Ang paggawa ng website na professional ay medyo nakaka-stress lalo na kung hindi ka techie o wala kang oras. Pero paano kung may paraan para iwasan ang sakit ng ulo at magkaroon ng fully functional na WordPress site sa loob lang ng 60 seconds? Diyan napapasok ang ZipWP, isang makabagong AI-powered website builder na ginawa para gawing mas madali ang buhay mo. Imagine typing a short description of your business or project and watching as an entire website complete with stunning designs, engaging copy, and relevant image is generated for you. Sounds too good to be true, diba? Sa video na to, tatalakayin ko lahat ng mga features, benefits, at kahit ilang posibleng drawbacks ng ZipWP to help you decide if it's the perfect tool to kickstart your website. So tara, simulan na natin. Starting off with some of the key features of ZipWP. AI-driven website creation. Isang standout na feature ng ZipWP ay ang kakayahan nitong gumawa ng fully functional na WordPress website sa loob lang ng 60 seconds. Ang kailangan mo lang gawin ay magbigay ng maikling description ng business o project mo, tapos ang AI na ang bahala sa lahat. This means you can skip the usual lengthy setup process and focus on refining your site instead of starting from scratch. Stunning website designs. ZipWP offers a variety of pre-designed templates that look professional and modern. Ang mga templates na to ay fully responsive, meaning your site will look great on any device. Kung nahihirapan ka sa design, tutulungan ka ng feature na to para makagawa ng site na hindi lang gumagana ng maayos pero maganda rin tignan. Persuasive copy generation. Hindi lang website ang binubuo ng AI, nagsusulat din ito ng content para sa'yo. Kasama na dito ang mga headlines, product descriptions, service pages, at marami pang iba. Lahat ay nakatailor sa information na binibigay mo. The generated copy is designed to engage visitors and drive action, whether that's making a purchase, booking a service, or simply contacting you. AI Assistant for Customization. Pagkatapos magawa ang site mo, hindi ka papabayaan ng ZipWP. Ang AI Assistant nito ay tutulungan kang i-fine-tune ang website mo to match your exact preferences. Gusto mong palitan ng kulay, ayusin ang layout, o magpalit ng images? The Assistant walks you through this adjustment step by step, so kahit hindi ka tech-savvy, it's incredibly simple. Integration with WordPress plugins. Dahil ang ZipWP ay nakabase sa WordPress, pwede mong palawakin ang functionality ng site mo gamit ang mga plugins. Kung kailangan mo ng SEO tool, e-commerce platform, o integration sa social media, lahat yan ay matatagpuan mo sa WordPress ecosystem. Freedom to choose hosting. Unlike some website builders that lock you into their hosting plans, ZipWP gives you the freedom to decide which provider you prefer. Malaking advantage to kung may mga specific na hosting na gusto mong gamitin para sa site mo. Ngayon tignan natin ang ilang mga pros at cons ng ZipWP. Starting off with the pros. Saves time like never before. The biggest advantage is just how much time it saves. Building a WordPress site traditionally can take hours or even days. Pero pinapaliit ng ZipWP ang process na ito sa isang minuto lang. Beginner-friendly interface. Isa pang advantage ay ang sobrang dali gamitin ng platform na to. Kahit wala kang technical background, pinapadali ng ZipWP ang lahat. You don't need to know anything about coding or design. It takes care of everything for you. High-quality content and design. Ang AI-generated na designs at copy ay mukhang professional at pulido. Kaya nag-iwan ito ng magandang first impression sa website mo. Flexibility with hosting and customization. ZipWP offers two huge wins. Flexibility with hosting and customization. Pwede mong i-customize pa ang site mo gamit ang plugins o ilipat ito sa kahit anong hosting provider na gusto mo. Now let's go over some of the cons. Limited features in the free plan. Maganda ang free version para subukan ito pero hindi kasama lahat ng advanced tools at customization options. The AI isn't perfect. Magaling ang AI nito sa paggawa ng functional at visually appealing na site pero hindi laging perpekto. May ilang generated content o design elements na baka kailangan pang ayusin para mas align sa brand mo. Less personalized design. Maganda at professional ang mga templates pero baka hindi ito kasing unique ng isang custom design na site. Para sa mga gustong magkaroon ng totally one-of-a-kind na website, maaaring hindi ito kaya ng ZipWP para sa lahat ng pangangailangan nila. Dependence on WordPress knowledge for advanced users. Although sobrang dali gamitin ng ZipWP para sa mga beginners, more advanced users who want to deeply customize their site might need prior knowledge of WordPress to make the most out of the platform. Ngayon, tignan naman natin ang different pricing options. Kung gusto mong makuha ang best deal, siguraduhin mong gamitin ang exclusive link namin sa description. Once you click on that, you'll be brought to this page and we'll go ahead and take a look at the pricing. Dito makikita mo na may ilang pagpipilian sila. No subscription, pay-per-use. Ang option na to ay perfect para sa mga hobbyists na gusto lang gumawa ng simpleng website nang hindi kailangan ng professional tools. Instead of a subscription, you pay a one-time fee of $79, currently discounted from the usual $99. Sa plan na to, you get 5 AI site generation tools, 10,000 AI credits total, and access to premium designs. Susunod naman ang Pro Plan, na perfect para sa mga freelancers na gustong i-level up ang productivity at workflow nila. Ito ay nagkakahalaga ng $199 per year at makakakuha ka ng 5 AI site generations per day, 20,000 credits monthly, access to premium designs as well as instant WordPress test sites, 10 staging sites, 10 gigabytes of disk space, and 5 blueprint sites. Panghuli ay ang business plan and this is the recommended plan. Ito ay $399 a year, usually usually $499. This is for anyone who wants to transform their productivity and impress their clients. Kasama sa planong ito ang 10 AI sites generation per day, 100,000 AI credits bawat buwan, access sa premium designs, at mga professional tools tulad ng instant WordPress test site, 20 staging sites, 20GB disk space, at 10 blueprint sites. Makakakuha ka rin ng AI website mind map builder, AI wireframe builder, wide label domain, pati na rin ng team feature. Meron din silang free plan, kaya kung gusto mong subukan ito ng libre, pwede mong gawin yan. Para mag-sign up, kailangan mo lang mag-sign up gamit ang iyong email o mag-sign in gamit ang Google. Now, I wanted to show you what it looks like once you're logged in para magkaroon ka ng idea kung paano ito tignan. Dito makikita mo sobrang simple siyang gamitin. Nasa harap ng dashboard mo at nandyan din ang mga staging sites, blueprints, and projects mo. Para gumawa ng site, kailangan mo lang gawin na i-click ang create new. Pwede ka magsimula gamit ang blank na WordPress site or complete website. Papakita ko lang ng mabilis ha. I-click ang next, tapos pwede ka na magsulat gamit ang AI. I didn't even type anything in. Click next again and we'll just skip this for now. Pwede ka mag-upload ng sarili mong mga images o mag-search na lang ng keyword tulad ng wellness. Sige, click natin ang next. Dito makikita mo nag-generate siya ng maraming iba't ibang options na pwedeng pagpilian. It really is that quick and simple. That took about 5 seconds at hindi ko na kailangan magsulat ng kahit ano. Sobrang simple at sobrang effective. Kaya kung gusto mong magsimula at makuha ang best price, now is the time. I highly recommend acting fast, but I've left that link in the description for you to get started and check it out for yourself and even get started for free. So para kanino ba ang ZipWP? Perfect ito para sa kahit sino na kailangan ng professional na website ng mabilis at walang abala. Baka ikaw ay isang small business owner na gustong mag-establish ng online presence o kaya isang freelancer na gustong ipakita ang portfolio mo o ikaw naman ay may bagong side hustle na gusto mong simulan. ZipWP makes this process fast and simple. I know na ang paggawa ng website ay minsan ay nakaka-stress lalo na kung hindi ka designer o wala ka masyadong oras. Diyan na papasok ang ZipWP. It takes the hassle out of the process by giving you a solid baseline to start with. In just 60 seconds tulad ng pinakita ko, magkakaroon ka ng fully functioning na WordPress site na may kasamang professional na designs at content na naka-tailor to your needs. That being said, while ZipWP does an amazing job getting you started, you'll definitely want to spend more time tweaking the content and design to make sure it fully reflects your brand. Kaya ulitin ko, kung ready ka nang subukan ng ZipWP, siguraduhin mong gamitin ang link sa description para makapagsimula. Kung nakatulong sa iyo ang video na to, huwag kalimutan mag-like at mag-subscribe sa channel at mag-iwan ng comments o questions sa ibaba. We'd love to hear from you. This channel is dedicated to helping you find the best tools to grow your online presence and make your journey so much easier. Maraming salamat sa panonood at magkikita-kita tayo sa susunod.